A is a letter. B, C, and D are also letters. The alphabet has 26 letters. She is a word. He, is, and first are also words. There are letters in words. He is the first child is a sentence. There is a girl, and who is the father are sentences. There are words in sentences. There is a girl is a statement. Sentences with periods at the end are statements. For example, his name is John. Who is the father is a question. Sentences with question marks at the end are questions. For example, is he a man? What is his name a question? Yes, it ends in a question mark. Is the baby is young a statement? Yes, it ends with a period. Questions usually start with who, what, where, when, why, or how. Who, what, where, when, why, and how are interrogative words. For example, who is the boy? What is the dog's name a question? Yes, it starts with the word what. A noun is a person, place, or thing. Some examples: man, boy, and family are nouns. A noun about one person, place, or thing is a singular noun. A noun about many people, places, or things is a plural noun. For example, men, boys, and families are plural nouns. Most plural words end in an S. The plural of cat, dog, and boy is cats, dogs, and boys. Some plural words do not end in an S. The plural of man, woman, and child is men, women, and children. For words with an S, Z, CH, or SH sound at the end, the plural ends in an ES. For example, box becomes boxes and church becomes churches. For words with an E at the end, add an S and sometimes add a sound. Some examples: bridge becomes bridges and horse becomes horses. Some words with an O at the end in the singular add ES in the plural. Potato becomes potatoes, for example. Most words with Y at the end in the singular, the Y becomes an I for the plural and add ES. Examples: city, cities, baby, babies. But when the letters A, E, O, or U is before Y in the singular, only add S. Examples: boy, boys, day, days.